There are few things that I seems to have gained during this lockdown period. The obvious thing is few inches around my waist. Well, for again obvious reasons. The second thing that I gained is this understanding in video editing. I was not really into it, but thanks to lockdown, all my guys had to leave to go to their native villages and towns, and I don't even know when they are returning. So I had to get the videos out, so I went and learned some basics. So definitely I am no match to those guys, so I can't pull things out of thin air and reveal things and magically disappear things, and I don't think I can do it anytime very soon. The third thing that I gained is this understanding in hair cutting. I tried first with my son. He was okay, his friends were okay, so I tried again, and then of course I tried on myself. Seems to be working. So when I look at it like I now have two alternative profession if this YouTube thing doesn't take off very well anyway. Well, jokes apart, welcome back to Pixel Village, and I'm Radha Krishnan. Let's do an interesting video this time. Probably one of the most popular one in Pixel Village. It's about mobile phones. And surprise, surprise, we have another OPPO phone for you this time. OPPO Reno 4 Pro, which got introduced in this country very recently. And in this video, we're going to be talking about something which is very interesting, which is not really a technique, but a very, very important key element in photography, storytelling. From the images that you've been sharing with us in the social media platforms, I have come to realize that you guys have actually taken your photography game up a couple of notches. I see a lot of very good single images, taken by you. Sceneries and portraits and macro shots and slow-mos and things like that. But I'm yet to see a story shaping up through your images. That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Well, there is a saying that a picture speaks 1,000 words. I have no problems with it. Pictures speak 1,000 words. Each image speaks 1,000 words for sure. But like I said, let's talk about creating a story using, let's say, more than one image. Let's put together about 5, 6, 7, maybe 10 images, which collectively tells you a story, a compelling story if it's possible. Now, these mobile phone cameras have actually evolved to a great extent that these phones can actually create high quality images and using which you can actually tell a story. We are in lockdown situations, This building, for example, is almost like a ghost building, for the last 4 or 5 months. What we're going to do is we're going to just walk around in the building and take images of otherwise a hustling, bustling kind of a business building with first a few floors are a mall, a shopping mall. The next two are a multiplex, got about 4 screens, Every day there is so many people that will be coming in and going out. It's all completely empty, almost like a ghost house. So what we're going to do to create the first story is to go around in this building to all those places which were otherwise was bustling with activity 3-4 months back and shoot it now, and put it together and see if there is a story happening there. All right, enough of talking. Let's go see how we can take some images. First one is in this building itself. Let's go. Well, of course, don't forget to clean your lens, activate the grid, and also make sure that you're shooting at the maximum resolution. And refer back to Shoot Like a Pro 1, which actually talks about the basic fundamentals of picture taking. and you can actually make use of it. They are evergreen recommendations. Well, if you have not seen it already, I will give you a link in the description and please watch it. Those recommendations will definitely help you shoot very effectively. This is a place where I usually go to get my hair cut and get a beard trimmed down. Closed still. We are in the basement now. There's no cars, nothing except mine. There is no other cars. Let's try and take some shots here. Also try and take some low light shots. Now this has great low light capability. This also has a mode called night mode. But in the night mode, if you activate the tripod mode, you are likely to get a little better image. Let's see what happens. When you shoot in night mode, you can actually see the camera taking multiple shots in different exposures and digitally putting them together to give you one image. Computational photography for you. Hope you liked those images and the story. Well, now that you know the trick, well, you can create images and stories on your own. All you have to do is to remember the story very clearly in your head and look for those images that suit that story. Now, that's one way of looking at it, but there are other ways also to create stories, but we will discuss that in another video. So, what are you waiting for? Take your mobile phones and get out. Also, carry your masks. Look for those interesting stories in your neighborhood, in your own home. Create those images, create those stories, and share with us in Instagram. Please tag Pixel Village and OPPO Mobile India in your stories, and the best 3 stories will win an Amazon voucher worth 1,000 rupees each. So get out and create your stories. And we're going to have another video which deals about video using the OPPO Reno 4. We're going to go and create a vlog. So stay tuned, stay safe. Bye for now.